And now we're going to go ahead and just lay the individual pieces out in a way which is analogous to the way that they're going to be welded together. So let's just go ahead and grab the hopper there. We'll just put the hopper in the center. And it's very simple to lay it out. You would just click on the edge, and then it'll find automatically the neighboring edge. No need to hunt around for how your pieces are. And this is particularly useful in custom pools that are non-standard. You can do this very quickly. And if you can visualize when these get put together, they would take the shape of the bottom of the pool. And there you go. That's it. So the next step is to put some seam allowance or seam offset in, so that when these pieces are welded, there's an overlap for welding. We're not going to go through doing all these, but you can see what we do is we just select an edge, what we call the primary edge, and then the secondary edge is automatically found, associated, and selected. We're going to put a seam on here now, say for example a half an inch overlap, and you can see how it's updated there. Next thing we're doing is we're going to create some alignment notches. So we'll just create, say, an array of 6 notches here. Now for those of you who are working in post-design or post-CAD design by laying your pieces on the floor and then manually kind of walking the patterns and associating them with one another using, say, for example, a Sharpie pen or so on, this eliminates that process. You can actually substantially increase the productivity on your post-CAD design processes just by going through the step here. You can see the little V notches there. That would be printed out on the Eastman cutter, and you're ready to go from the table to the welding station without any intermediary steps. So let's go ahead and put another set of seam lines on here. Let's just pick the other piece yet. So you see, click the edge. There you go. And then you select the join type. In this case, it's a half-inch overlap, and you can, depending on the type of joins you want to have, you can put any number of join types it supports. Say, well, I'll put 6 alignment notches on that edge, and there it is. That's how difficult it is to put these alignment notches in place.